TfL wanted to basically make this roundabout more safer for pedestrians and cyclists.
Campaigners think the problem is TfL and the boroughs are often at odds. Plans for changes to this roundabout, where another cyclist died, have also been delayed. In correspondence with TfL, Westminster Council questioned whether the scheme justifies a significant choice about the allocation of public money.
This, I think, is slowing down the pace of change in London because, as we know, TfL is consistently underspending its budget for safety and cycling improvements, and all around it's meeting resistance from boroughs who feel that they're being told what to do when they should have autonomy. It needs to be resolved.
Westminster says it wants a better junction design that benefits all road users. It blames TfL and says it's waiting for an update on new proposals. The focus again seems to be moving back onto cycling safety in London, while campaigners say red tape needs to be cut as it's stopping schemes that could be saving lives. Tom Edwards, BBC London News.